Good morning, kids. Today we'll be studying chapter number 1, Large Numbers. Please open the book from the chapter number 1, Large Number. Aims and objectives of studying this chapter. Let us see. First, aim. Read and write numbers name for numerals up to 1 crore. Write the numeral corresponding to the number names up to 1 crore. Find the place value of a digit in 5, 6, 7 and 8 digit numbers. Indicate them how we will do this. Mind mapping. What comes in your mind when you learn this word? Large numbers? Yes, kids, whatever comes in your mind, please tell me. Yes, you can guess. Large number, that is number name. Yes. Corresponding numbers. Yes. Indian place value chart. Different place values. International place value chart. Expanded form. Yes, number, names. So these are the words which come into your mind when you are thinking about mind mapping of large numbers. So let's move forward. Let's study first topic, place value. What is place value? The position or a place of a digit in a number written in standard form determines the actual value the digit represents is called place value. What does place value means? Place, the location of a digit in a numeral. Where does the digit live? Where does the digit stand? Value, the value of a digit in a numeral. How much is the digit worth? What is the value of that digit? Place value versus value. Kids, if we say, tell the place value of this number, that is 4856, which we read as 4856. So 4 is the value of the digit. And what is the place value? Place value is 1000. Yes, you are correct. Let's come to Indian place value system. Now, Indian place value chart is given to you, where we have periods like crore, lakh, thousand, ones. And we have places. That means we'll start from the right. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So how can we read this number as 5 crore 21 lakh 5,747? If there is no digit in some period or a place, then we put 0. Gem of knowledge, it is easy to read a number with 3 commas. The first comma says crore, the second comma says lakh, and the third comma says 1000. How to read a digit in a number name? First, we put commas and then we read it. In Indian numeral system, we put commas with after every 2 digit. Only the ones period will be put after 3 digits. So how can we read this digit as 38 crore 24 lakh 5,760? Let's come to international place value system. International place value system has 3 periods: million, thousand and ones. Under these, we have place values. Let's study from the right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 million, 100 million. So we put commas after every 3 digit in international place value chart. How to write a digit in this number? First, we will put commas after every 3 digit, and the commas will be put from the extreme right hand side corner. How we will read this digit? 23,456,390. Some facts. In Indian place value chart, the 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. In international place value chart, the 9 places are grouped into 3 periods. And 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million, and 1 crore is equal to 100 million, 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. So class, let's end this topic over here. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, kids.